Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a half double crochet. So first you start off making your slip knot. You're going to go ahead and bring that back loop to the front, that front loop to the back, and you're going to go ahead and tighten that thing up, do-si-do like so. You're going to take your hook and insert it into the yarn and tighten the slip knot on your hook. And we're going to chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, 7, chain 8, chain 9, and 10. Now you're going to go ahead and yarn over, insert your work, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through all 3 loops, and that's your first half double crochet. Again, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the work, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn through, and we're going to pull through all 3. See, it's totally different from double crochet. Double crochet, you yarn over and you pull through the first 2 loops, and then you yarn over and you pull through the second loops, the last 2 loops. Half double crochet, you just yarn over and you just pull through all 3 loops. Pull through. That easy, that simple. We're going to go ahead and yarn over, insert our work, hook into the work, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert your hook into the work, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I hope that this helps. This is very easy and very beginner friendly. Watch as many times as you need to watch. Practice makes perfect. Pull through all 3 loops, and there you have our half double crochet. Thanks for watching. I hope that this helps, and I am out.